Alright. Today we're aboard. Today we're aboard Royal Caribbean, Brilliance of the Seas. We got some KONE M-Series to ride. They have the indicators you can see.
Deck 3.
Alright, up to 12.
Going up.
That sounds lovely.
Deck 12.
This somewhat reminds me of Carnival Imagination where it talks.
Going down.
Those are your buttons, M-Series. Scare cab view, nice elevator. Those are your buttons, M-Series. And yep, we are on a moving boat, folks.
Deck 3.
Alright, we're gonna go 12. We're gonna get off there.
Going up.
As we come along to the back.
Deck 12.
Well, here we are. Well, but anyway, sir, it goes. That's it. And bye. Here's this one. Today we're aboard
Going down.
Royal Caribbean, Brilliance of the Seas. We got some KONE M-Series to ride.
Deck 3.
Alright, up to 11.
Going up. Deck 11.
Alright. Down to 3.
Going down.
Alright, here we go.
Deck 3.
Alright, we're gonna go to 11. We're gonna get off there.
Going up.
There's the elevator pit. Alright.
Deck 11.
Well, here we are. Well, but anyways, there it goes. That's it. And bye. Today we are aboard Royal Caribbean, Brilliance of the Seas. Sorry for the run. The elevator was on the other side. However, this is the best time to catch the elevators because it is busy at night. Less busy at night.
Deck 3.
Right up to 13.
Going up.
Alright, here we go. There's an elevator.
Deck 13.
Alright, we're gonna go 3.
Going down.
Alright, here we go.
Deck 3.
Alright, we're gonna go 13. We're gonna get off there.
Going up.
Door close works on these elevators. I like that.
Deck 6.
Lovely. Making a stop.
Going up.
Alright. Here we go.
Deck 13.
Well, here we are. Well, let me start ghost. That's it. And
Going
bye.
down.